Okay, we've learned how to enter text in Excel, which is very straightforward. But we may want to edit the text we've just entered. Now we have a couple of ways of doing this, the most obvious being selecting the cell, hitting delete on your keyboard and wiping out the cell completely. But we may just want to edit a part of the text that we've just entered. Now we have a couple of ways of doing this, just as we did with entering text. We can either do it in the cell or we can do it in the formula bar, and we're going to cover both of them now. Okay, we'll do the cell first. We'll left click the cell to select it, and then we can either double click our left mouse button, and you can see that we now have a flashing cursor inside, so we could scroll over and change our title to Fruit and Veggie Shop. Hit enter, and there you go. That's one. Let me just move the cursor. There you go. That's one way of editing your text, by selecting the cell and double clicking. Alternatively, you can select the cell and hit F2 on your keyboard like that, and you will instantly get your flashing cursor at the end of your text, so you can then scroll over using your arrow keys and delete whatever you want to do or make whatever changes you need to. Hit enter and you're done. And the third and final way is to select the cell that you want to edit, come up here to your formula bar, and you can add whichever text you want to add in just up here, and that will also edit the text you've just entered. Okay, there you go. That's how you edit text in a cell.